My name is Mishana Prayer. I'm going to be singing a song about basically my faith journey as a teenager in this world. It's pretty crazy, to be honest. It's called Holy Direction. I wrote it by myself. And yeah, I'm going to be accompanied by my dad. Be blessed.
Let's go, baby.
We'll just give our judges a wee moment, and they'll give us a thumbs up when we're good to go. Dad, you happy with your setup? Yep. Mishana, have you met our judges? Sheree, Sam, Trinfofa.
Oh, yeah.
And just a note to all our students that are through here, if you do get the chance to speak with our judges, don't be shy. They're very giving of their time and they're always willing to share knowledge and help lift you guys up. So, we're just about there. Tree is good. Sheree is good. Mishana, you're good to go. All right, please, round of applause from Macaulay. This is Mishana.
Woo!
Good direction to help me finally reach my destination in this maze. The world is such a crazy place. It's filled with different sorts of complications for me to explore. Hands up to the clouds, desperate to make a change, time to rearrange. I can't find myself hidden in the walls I've built around every single day. I'm feeling left astray. Every time I think that I am alone and I am weak, I think of your affection, your holy direction. Da, 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 da. Now,
Yes, baby.
I think I found the one, the perfect Holy Son, to save me from exertion, to be perfect, but I'm not. You're the only one who sees this heart. Tell me what I need so I can fix. I'm climbing up a peak. My strength is I see my true reflection through your whole